Alright, so wanting to make coffee with peppermint, raw green coffee or whatever. This is setting 18 cranks out. Nothing's coming through. It was 2 tablespoons total. Some of it's in there, some of it's still in here. And use the kickstand. And there was but anyways, what I was trying to do was adjust this crank out. The crank is like stuck. I'm pushing in on it and trying to turn it like a medicine they give your parents and stuff. And where you have to press on it in order to turn it. The crank is quite adjusting. I've cranked it backwards. That's going backwards. And oh, there it goes. Alright, well, it's been a lot of effort. And anyways, you can see the gap there is uneven. And this is just the second day of making coffee. And whatever's going on is wearing out on my green coffee. Now, roast coffee is apparently a different hardness, because I've eaten roast coffee plenty of times, but I can only eat green coffee. After it's been cooked or boiled. I've never been able to eat green coffee raw, but I can eat roast coffee raw. So I think it's just that I need to switch to an electronic thing rather than embarrass all the hand crank companies. And it really should be hand crankable, but nobody's making them with real coffee in mind. Only the burn to a crisp coffee is being designed for. And yeah, so I'm going to return this and just explain that the Rockwell hardness of raw coffee is too hard for the ceramic gears that seem to be in all the cheap hand grinders. So I'm going to get a electric grinder. This was $20. Electric grinder's $30. I just had a romantic notion of doing this and being able to pack the handle in the container, in the jar, and being able to show people or do a nice presentation. Part of it was presentation. It's like if I try and go to people to show them my recipe and how healthy it is for them, what's the right thing to present with. And I really liked this. It's a really classic recipe I'm going with. And unfortunately, my recipe is too hardy and strong for a hand grinder, at least a ceramic one. We'll see. And I guess that's it. It's just excellent raw coffee, or green coffee. No, just call it raw coffee. And it's not cranking, even though it's like cranked out to a huge gap. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. One moment, be right back. Alright. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And still have all this coffee in here. Nothing special about it. I mean, it's just raw coffee. Or green coffee. Fantastic aroma. It just smells fantastic, but I'm trying to get 2 tablespoons through here. And I've been cranking for a long time. Just recorded 100 cranks, and almost nothing fell. It was like one seed got broken 3 pieces and fell in there. It's a beautiful little contraption, but not good for raw coffee. Probably none of the others, because the ceramic cogs look identical to what all the stainless steel ones have inside them. And same kind of armature. I actually like this. I thought this would be a problem. I do hit my finger from time to time. You can see that. But it was like authentic. You gotta be authentic, or whatever the term is. When they did that on Rooster Chicken with the Funny or Die guys, talking about an authentic muscle car. I want an authentic muscle grinder. Something that does it by your hands. And your real human strength, because you're really making a real drink. But my drink is too manly for the stuff that people are drinking these days. I'll have to go industrial. Hopefully, if I use nuclear electricity, it'll be able to crush those grinds, because the machinery they're making just isn't up to it.